Welcome to our channel Stormrider. The USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 destroyer is one of the most advanced and futuristic warships ever built for the United States Navy. And by 2026, it continues to represent a bold vision of naval warfare in the 21st century. This ship isn't just another destroyer. It's a complete rethinking of what a modern naval vessel can be, blending stealth, automation, power, and cutting-edge technology into one sleek and formidable package. Designed for multi-mission operations, the Zumwalt can handle land attacks, surface warfare, and anti-air operations, all while being nearly invisible to radar. At first glance, the most striking feature of the Zumwalt is its design. Unlike traditional destroyers that have a tall superstructure and visible radar masts, the Zumwalt has a smooth, angular shape that slopes inward. This design is known as a tumblehome hull, and it helps dramatically reduce the ship's radar cross-section. To most radar systems, the Zumwalt looks more like a small fishing boat than a massive 6-10-foot-long destroyer. This stealth capability gives the ship a huge tactical advantage, allowing it to get closer to shorelines or enemy fleets before being detected. The unique wave-piercing hull design also provides better stability and performance in rough seas, reducing drag and allowing higher efficiency even in challenging conditions. Powering this futuristic vessel is a highly advanced integrated power system, IPS, which is one of the most revolutionary elements on board. Instead of using traditional mechanical engines, the Zumwalt's gas turbines generate electricity that powers everything, from propulsion to weapon systems. The total power output is around 78 megawatts, enough to supply energy to about 50,000 homes. This all-electric system not only increases efficiency, but also prepares the Zumwalt for the future. It has the power reserve to support next-generation weapons, such as railguns and high-energy lasers, which require massive amounts of energy. This makes the Zumwalt a ship that's not just designed for today's missions, but one that's ready for tomorrow's technology. When it comes to weaponry, the Zumwalt carries an impressive and diverse arsenal. It's equipped with 2 advanced gun systems, AGS, each capable of launching long-range precision projectiles to strike targets up to 83 miles away. These guns were originally designed to fire the long-range land attack projectile, LRLAP, a GPS-guided round meant for pinpoint strikes against enemy installations. Although the LRLAP program faced challenges due to high costs, the ship's modular design allows for future upgrades and integration of new weapon types. In addition to its main guns, the Zumwalt features 80 vertical launch system, VLS cells distributed around the ship's perimeter. These cells can launch a variety of missiles, including Tomahawk cruise missiles, standard missiles for air defense, and anti-submarine rockets. This modularity means the Zumwalt can be tailored to any mission profile, whether that's hitting land targets, defending against aircraft, or hunting submarines. Another area where the Zumwalt shines is automation. The ship's advanced control systems and sensors allow it to operate with a crew of about 140 sailors, less than half the number required for older destroyers of similar size. This reduced crew size is made possible by extensive use of automation in nearly every aspect of the ship's operation, from engineering controls to weapons handling and damage control systems. For instance, the ship's integrated bridge and engineering control center combines navigation, propulsion, and system management into a single location, where operators use touchscreens and advanced displays rather than traditional manual controls. This not only reduces manpower requirements, but also improves situational awareness and response times during complex missions. The Zumwalt's radar and sensor suite is another area that sets it apart. It employs a dual-band radar system, combining both X-band and S-band radars for simultaneous air and surface tracking. This enables the ship to detect and engage multiple threats across different domains with remarkable precision. The radar and communication systems are embedded within the ship's composite deckhouse, made of carbon fiber and other radar-absorbing materials to maintain stealth characteristics. The ship's electronic warfare capabilities are equally advanced, designed to detect, deceive, or jam enemy sensors and communications before they can pose a real threat. Inside, the Zumwalt feels more like a high-tech control center than a traditional warship. The interior is designed with ergonomics and efficiency in mind, offering larger living spaces, improved crew facilities, and a layout that feels more like a futuristic submarine than a traditional destroyer. With advanced computer networks running through every system, the Zumwalt functions as a floating data hub, able to share information with other ships, aircraft, and ground forces in real time. This level of connectivity makes it a critical part of modern network-centric warfare, where information dominance can often determine the outcome of a battle before a single shot is fired. Another distinctive aspect of the Zumwalt is its versatility. It was designed as a multi-role platform, capable of operating in both open ocean, blue water environments, and close-to-shore littoral zones. This adaptability allows it to perform missions ranging from power projection and land attacks to fleet protection and humanitarian assistance. Its stealth and precision capabilities make it particularly effective for striking heavily defended coastal targets, while its large deck space and modular systems offer flexibility for future mission types, including drone operations and advanced surveillance roles. In terms of performance, the Zumwalt can reach speeds of over 30 knots and has a range exceeding 4,000 nautical miles at cruising speed. Its propulsion system is quiet, which makes it harder for submarines to detect. Combined with its stealth design, this makes the Zumwalt one of the hardest ships to track in modern naval warfare. The ship's size and stability also mean it can carry more fuel, supplies, and ammunition than most other destroyers, giving it extended operational endurance for long deployments. While the Zumwalt program faced criticism early on, mostly for its high cost and reduced production numbers, the ship itself remains a symbol of technological ambition. Only 3 Zumwalt-class destroyers were ultimately built: USS Zumwalt, DDG-1000, USS Michael Monsoor, DDG-1001, and USS Lyndon B. Johnson, DDG-1002. However, each of these ships serves as a test bed for technologies that are expected to influence future naval designs for decades. As of 2026, the USS Zumwalt continues to evolve, with upgrades including advanced missile systems and experimental energy weapons. It's not just a destroyer, it's a glimpse into the future of naval engineering. In summary, the USS Zumwalt DDG-1000 represents a bold step forward in naval warfare. Its combination of stealth, automation, and power make it unlike any warship before it. From its radar-evading design to its all-electric propulsion and modular weapons systems, every element of the Zumwalt was created with innovation in mind. While its cost and complexity spark debates, there's no denying that the ship stands as a floating symbol of human ingenuity and technological progress. In an era where naval dominance depends on speed, stealth, and precision, the USS Zumwalt proves that the future of warfare is already here, sailing quietly across the world's oceans, ready for whatever challenges lie ahead.